Hi everyone, I'm video game composer and creator of Video Games Live, Tommy Tallarico, and I'm very excited about this week's episode because Cakes Cove is making a chocolate guitar, especially for our show, which we gave away on stage at Massey Hall in Toronto. And it's so amazing because I've known Sam for, I don't know, maybe over a decade before she had this amazing store. And I always loved her artistry. It's so incredible. And she surprised me by making this amazing chocolate guitar. It had an NES controller on it. Oh my God, it's so cool. I can't wait for you to see it. And I can't wait for Sam to show you how she made it.
Like all good things in life, this guitar starts with tempered chocolate. I'm going to pour a lot of chocolate and smooth it out so it's nice and thick. For the guitar part, we're going to use a template, and I will post a link to this in the description below. Once my chocolate is set enough to touch, but not yet completely set, I can trace out my template and cut out all the different pieces I'll need to assemble the guitar. It's a really good idea to cut extra lines in the chocolate around the pieces so it breaks a lot easier when it comes out of the fridge. You'll know when it's ready to come out of the fridge because the chocolate will start to pull away from itself. Now it's time to assemble the guitar. If you score the joints, the sections you're gluing together with tempered chocolate will have a stronger bond. I'm going to brush more tempered chocolate along the front, back, and sides of the guitar to give it a really fun texture. After that, it's really just time to add the fret marks on the fingerboards and decorate. To recreate the 8-bit Video Games Live logo, I'm going to use small squares of fondant. I'm also going to use one of our white chocolate NES controllers that I'm going to paint to look a little bit more realistic. If you haven't had the chance to go see Video Games Live yet, I highly recommend it. It's a gorgeous combination of orchestral music, an energetic light show, and of course, video game music. It really doesn't matter what genre of video games you're into because they really do play a little bit of everything. I'll post a link to their site in the description below. Go check it out. And now that our Video Games Live guitar is done, let's go see Tommy. If you like this episode, like, subscribe, and comment what themes you want us to create. May the cookies be ever in your flavor.